In order to deal with this memory wall, the revolutions in signaling and interconnect technology are having a big impact on how all of us do design of our products and how test and measurement equipment has to support it. The first wave of those revolutions is really showing up right now. With the work that's going on with the GDDR5 specification and also elements, say, of DDR3, DDR4, and LPDDR, especially with wide I/O. This is creating a change in the design techniques such that by the end of 2013, virtually all embedded systems, almost all designs, will have crossed the signal integrity threshold. So as you adopt the next generation of controllers, which will then require the next generation of memories, there really is no choice but to deal with signal integrity because those system components are going to force your design to cross the signal integrity threshold. High-end systems are going to move beyond that into the impulse response or hyperspeed realm, where eye diagrams or valid eyes actually disappear. And so for those systems, the design techniques and the measurement techniques and the specifications are really, over the next couple of years, all going to have to accommodate how do you actually do design and test at these hyperspeed levels. So whichever threshold that you have to cross, there are proven and applied tools and techniques that you can use. There are places to turn to basically know how to do this successfully. Now, the second wave of this revolution is really going to be led by memory. The first real use of serious 3D chip stacking, for instance, is already showing up in the wide I/O and DDR3 and 4 memory interface specs. Even though it seems like everything's going to turn on its end because you're going to have to worry about how you do the design, how you build stuff, how you test it, how you support it, the good news is that this second wave, even though it's starting to be formed right now, it's not going to roll over us completely for another few years. So although we have some time to get ready and learn how to apply these microwave techniques and RF techniques to digital design, really the time is now to start thinking about, what am I going to have to learn? What are the kinds of tools and techniques that I'm going to need to use, and when am I going to need to apply those? So I hope that this briefing has been helpful to you in identifying how these things might affect you and when you might need to start preparing for them, and also where you can look to in the RF and microwave world for guidance on how to make this transition. So thank you very much.